March 3rd, 1983.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm very fortunate that I have people that will loan me radios so that I can show them to you. And this one comes from my neighbor across the street. Yeah, he's my not little, but he's my handyman. A lot of things I can't do around the house anymore, and he helps me out. And I noticed he had this radio outside. We meet under a big oak tree every morning and discuss politics and all kinds of health problems and things like that. Anyway, so I noticed this radio and I go, that radio looks familiar. And he said that it was given to him by somebody that just didn't want it anymore. And I looked it up on Amazon, and sure enough, it's sold on Amazon by various sellers. It doesn't have that I can find a brand name. It does have a model name, MD-T16. It's AM and FM. There is another model that has shortwave also. This one sells for, right now, for just under $30. It has tone control, high and low. I didn't see that did much. This is the on-off volume, and this is the band select AM or FM. Tuning knob here has a carrying handle and a telescopic antenna for FM, which is quite long. It's about 3 feet, and it uses both batteries and a built-in AC adapter. And this is the power cord, which you unplug if you don't want to use it on AC. And I'm using it on AC right now, and it has an LED power indicator right there. Show you the back of it real quick. There's the back of it where the batteries go. Whoops, and knocked it over. Leave it to me. There's the earbud or earphones jack. It uses standby. I forgot what kind of battery it uses. It uses four D cells. 4 D cells. So it's going to play for a long time on those D cells. Reception is very good on AM and FM. Very smooth. Let me bring it up a little closer. Very smooth tuning. I don't think, let me try it one more time. Turn it on.
At the state level, but
Does not mute while tuning, at least not on AM. Picks up a lot of stations. See if it makes any difference about orientation. Yeah, but this is interesting. Normally on AM portable radios like this, I have to orient them this way to get a strong signal. Now on that particular station, I didn't have to. It liked this way better. We try a different station.
A couple of news stories too. Get this
en lo que son los costos de construir, de los materiales, y número 2, la falta de mano de obra, y eso se exacerba aquí.
It does have, I've noticed, it does have an AC hum on it. Don't know if you can detect that. Let me turn it back up.
Número 2, el turismo y la hostelería. Todavía falta, aunque no ve.
support programs to help vets find jobs or
You're
even
there.
start their own business. Donate today for.
I don't have that when I use batteries. Now, let me tell you what this thing has been through. Like I said, he has it set up outside under an oak tree. And he leaves it outside. And a lot of times he forgets to turn it off and he leaves it turned on. So it is enduring the heat, Florida heat. It's gotten rained on a couple of times and it's still working pretty good, except for that hum. Now, let me just see if the hum goes away if we go to FM. We're on FM now. Yeah, there's no hum. There's no hum on FM, so it could be that my environment in my office is inducing the FM hum. I don't remember hearing any hum on it when we were outside. So maybe it's just my environment. Nice little radio. Like I say, I think for $5 or $6 more, maybe $10 more, you can get shortwave in addition to AM and FM. But if you just want AM and FM, $30, big speaker, lots of volume, pretty good quality on the sound, not a bad radio, not fantastic, but not a bad radio. And like I say, it's been through the environment because he leaves it outside. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That gives me an indication that I'm showing you things that you're interested in and not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.